Buongiorno! Here we are. We have some eggs, cream, sugar. We are going to prepare today crème brûlée. I have seen my friend Bertrand preparing some Italian recipe in his channel, so I got also curious and say, okay, I will prepare some French recipe. So we have everything. Let's go cooking. To prepare the crème brûlée is easy. We need 11 egg yolks, 220 grams of sugar, 1 liter cream, and 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. We put the cream to boil. We prepare in the same time the egg yolk, and then we separate the sugar apart in the cream and apart in the egg yolk. The crème brûlée is a dessert consisting in a rich custard base topped with a contrasting layer of hard caramel. It is normally served at room temperature. Yeah, you see one part of the sugar inside the cream, the other part here, together with the egg yolk. One of the first recording of this delicious dessert in its French form was in 1691, but its origin might not actually be French at all. Pour the cream slowly with the inside the egg yolk. Yeah, okay, like that. England, Spain, and France all claim to have created the first version of the famous crème brûlée. However, food historians generally agree that custards were very popular in the Middle Ages. The first printed recipe for a dessert called crème brûlée is from the 1691 edition of the French cookbook Le Cuisinier Royal et Bourgeois by François Massialot, a cook at the Palais of Versailles. That version was a sweet custard of egg yolk and milk with a burnt sugar crust, similar to the modern version. At Trinity College, Cambridge in England, they used to burn this burnt cream, and the first version was in the 1630. Catalan also claimed the original recipe. Crème brûlée is usually served in individual ramekin. Disc of caramel may be prepared separately and put on the top. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. One more fun fact: the largest crème brûlée weighed 725 kilo, 1,600 libras, and was made by students of the Le Cordon Bleu program at the Orlando Culinary Academy, Orlando, Florida, USA, on 12 February 2005. Was estimated to have 2 million calories. The crème brûlée is cooked in a bain-marie with the water, so be careful. It has to be on half of the container, and when you take out, take care not to burn yourself. You will see here that we have some problem. Anyway, the recipe included 4,000 eggs, 125 pounds of sugar, 115 gallons of cream, 19 gallons of milk, and 1 gallon of vanilla extract. Chefs use an industrial blowtorch to caramelize the crème brûlée sugar-coated surface. Have a lot of fun. Enjoy. Ciao.